Switch connectors are used in a wide variety of communication devices such as smartphones, PC, tablets, and home appliances. RF microwave coaxial connectors with switch. A switch connector is used for measuring RF signals in a circuit. By mounting a switch connector in an RF line, you can measure circuit characteristics. The switch connector can separate the RF circuit and antenna circuit, then you can measure characteristics without any mutual effect. You can easily measure the RF circuit and the antenna circuit by using a Murata's original probe, which has the ability to compensate for positional deviations. By using a switch connector, you can measure circuit characteristics even during manufacturing, thus greatly improving the measurement process. Measurement after final assembly is not efficient and can increase the cost of scrapped goods. When a switch connector is utilized, production efficiency can be improved by identifying circuit errors that may be corrected by tuning or rework at the board level. Murata's switch connectors are useful for a variety of applications, such as smartphones and other communication devices that connect wirelessly.